Peace be upon you. How are you guys? God willing, you're doing well. Today we've come to you stealthily with a way to download games from the Steam platform in just 3 minutes. You can have the game available in your Steam account. Today, of course, we have moved to 3 sites. The sequence is now available in the description or in the first comment. This is the first site, which is called Steam Tools. We will download Steam Tools. We click on this blue icon. After clicking on it, we will download one of these two. Try the first or the second. After you download and install it, it will appear to you. Click on it. This will appear to you. Of course, the delay is normal. I meant the video. I won't impose on you. After this appears to you, we go to the second site. We will use it in the explanation, which is the Stamp App site. Don't worry about the name. Today in the explanation, we will use GTA. After click on GTA, you can search from above here. We take this number and copy it. Now we go to the third site. In the third site, we put the number we copied and tell it to proceed. Here, I want you to pay close attention to the tutorial, because you will have a lot of ads. So I want you to focus a bit on the explanation here. On this check mark, I am not a robot here. It will transfer you to another site. I want you to go back to the first site and repeat all these steps again, right? Here you will usually see 3 images used to select.
هالدورة تقول له يقد.
It will take you to the site. I want you to return. These tell it to proceed well. Or I'll also show you. I want you to go back and remove the sites that were good. Click on this one and like I said, it will show you. I want you to go back and of course it will show you a different site. Here it will take time from you. Of course, I cut the video for strong practice. These I say don't continue well. I want you to wait for this period. After the countdown finishes, click on this button and it will take you to the site just like before, then come back. Here you'll click to continue. These we tell it to return. These you will wait for a while and we cut the video. After these, tell it to continue. Here, click on this button. Here, wait. It takes you and you return it and you tell it to press here too. We've reached the end. There's a step where you'll need to wait for a bit. Since as I told you, we cut the video, you won't see this part.
لكن
It's ready, just run it. The important thing is not to worry, dude. Get to the link. Attention, we return and remove the sites above because we don't need them. It will tell you to download it and you download it. These run the file, these press the file after it appears to you, these remove, this cycle selects all the files inside, this cycle. After we select them, we move them and attach them here to the Steam icon that floats. We attach it this cycle, it will pop up this icon that confirms the operation was successful. Now, go to it and right-click on it. Left side. Sweet. Left click. Now go and click on Restart Steam. Here it will take a process of about 1 to 2 minutes. It won't take long. These will open Steam for you naturally this cycle. A few seconds for the weak internet. You know, in Iraq, it's another story and my situation is complicated. The important thing, let's go to the library. This cycle we press G. TA. Of course, we can download a ton of games with this method and most of them are paid, thousands of games. These go search for GTA. As you see, we have a match. GTA is available, of course, in an effective way. Try it. It won't take you 3 minutes or 1.5 minutes. And this was our explanation today. This is the first video on my channel. Give me your opinion in the comments, like and subscribe for continuity. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.